Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shin, and if y'all gonna say why is she recording in the same damn shirt, because I am on a roll and I want to get videos out because I've been missing from YouTube for at least 3 months. If you guys haven't noticed, I haven't been that persistent, but anyways, tonight I am back with a review on the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. God, that is so freaking long. Don't you just hate products when they name companies, when they name their beauty products and they give them like this long ass name? Like, just make it short for us, just make it short. So anyhow, I picked this up in Sephora last month and this retails for $28, and this is a hydrating glowing radiance mist. To be honest, when I went into Sephora, one of the ingredients that I did like about this was that it had apple cider vinegar. I think is one of the ingredients, and I was like, ooh, like, you know, everyone knows apple cider can be used for many different things, a lot of home remedies, also skincare regimes. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. But one thing I did see is that I did notice, I should say, was that after I use it like 3 times, guys, my skin is so freaking sensitive on another degree level that I have bought so much beauty products that I had to return because my skin is very sensitive and gets irritative to certain what you would say, certain formulas that they include in their products. And this, I don't know, I love the whole concept, love the packaging. The packaging is freaking amazing. The mist, when you spray it, it does mist, it does. But one thing I did notice after I used it for like 2 days, I noticed my skin was giving me like this irritation type of feel, and then my skin kind of had, you know, when your skin is irritative to something and then you start getting like dry flakes on your skin, almost like when I sprayed it on my skin, like something in the ingredient in this is actually a bit too strong for my skin, so it actually gave me like some little dry patches, and I was not working for that. But it has like a beautiful watermelon mist smell, and like I said, just let me spray this and you guys can see, like when you spray it, like it has that, see, like that fine mist. It's like a beautiful concept, smells amazing, smells refreshing. But the biggest downfall for me is that it irritates my skin. It does. And you guys can see when I bought it, it was like there, so you know that I haven't even used much, have not used much. So this would be something that I will be returning to Sephora. But for those who don't have sensitive skin like myself, this would be so freaking perfect. It was the perfect size where you can just drop it in your purse if you have like dry skin, especially in the winter time. You can just pop it out, spray a mist on your face, and then your makeup is refreshed and you're good to go. I really wished, I was really rooting for this to work for me, but I don't know, certain skincare stuff I tend to stay away from because I know my skin is very funny, very funny. So if I find something that works for me, I tend to stay in that comfort zone when it comes to skincare products. And yeah, this is just, yeah, I won't say it's an epic fail because the whole concept of what it promises is very good and I love that, but yeah, it's just the slight irritation on my skin just was not clicking for me. Sorry. So this one is definitely not Shin approved at all if you have sensitive skin like myself, but if you don't, then go ahead, it's freaking perfect. So I hope that you guys did like this review, and I will see you in my next video.